If you're an Etsy seller, time is running out for holiday preparations. In fact, in previous years, holiday sales traffic on the platform tends to pick up right around November 1st. Thankfully, if you sell print on demand or digital items, you have the unique ability to get your items listed a bit more quickly. So today, I'm sharing 78 of the top trending products and themes that can be applied to your digital or print on demand store. That way, you can optimize for more money this holiday season. For those who are new here, my name is Starla 𝔸𝕚𝕝, founder of the Handmade Alpha Academy for Etsy sellers and manager at eRank.com, Etsy's most popular SEO tool. And over at eRank, one of my jobs is to keep an eye on monthly, weekly, and daily trends that emerge in the marketplace, so that sellers like you can act fast in order to make the items that customers are buying right now. Before we dive into these top-selling trends, I want to take a moment to give a quick shout out to this week's featured shop. Thanks so much for your love and support. If you'd like to submit for your own shout out, tag Handmade Alphas in a photo or a screenshot of yourself watching this video, either in your Instagram feed or Instagram stories. Normally when I do trend videos like these, I talk about each unique trend for a while and give ideas, which you can see in this holiday trends video up here. But today I want to give you quantity. I want to share as many trends with you as possible that you could potentially use to make items for your shop. So we're going to roll these out fast, keeping in mind that many of these trends will require a bit of creativity. For example, the term coffee is currently trending, but that doesn't mean that you have to sell coffee. You could make coffee-themed art prints, shirts, mugs, Christmas ornaments, and so on. Think about the types of gifts that people will be shopping for over the holidays and cater the items that you create to these buyers. So let's jump right in and be sure to subscribe for more trend videos and Etsy success tips like this one. Personalized gifts, wall art, tapestries, Christmas sweatshirts, neon and neon signs, teacher gifts, Twitch emotes, Twitch overlays, dice, kawaii, digital planners, embroidery, Christmas decor, Christmas ornaments, cats, mushrooms, Y2K, couples hoodies, self-love, frogs, goth, pastel goth, horses, Christmas mugs, coffee, foxes, books and reading, retirement, gnomes, microbiology, Paris, plants, occupational therapy, physical therapy, dance moms, special education teacher, dog mom, baking, digital Christmas clip art, feminism, opossums, veterinarians, tree of life, nurses, monograms, beer, digital Christmas cross-stitch patterns, smiley faces, wine, birth flowers, owls, raccoons, bucket hats, Christmas pillows, family Christmas ornaments, digital resume templates, digital wedding invitations, digital thank you cards, dog bandanas, ugly Christmas sweaters, family Christmas shirts, cottagecore, yoga, dark academia, aprons, charcuterie boards, digital Christmas backgrounds, home bar, Christmas stockings, meditation, guitars, vinyl records, prayer journals, role-playing games, new mom gifts, realtor gifts, whiskey, digital invitations. Last year on Etsy, the platform reported a gross merchandise sales record of $43,000 per minute during their 5-day Cyber Week sale, which means that we can expect a similar traffic explosion during Cyber Week this year as well. And if you're still confused about Cyber Week, or if you need a step-by-step game plan that will tell you exactly what to do, when to do it, and how to prepare fully for your own successful holiday sales weekend, be sure to grab my free Black Friday toolbox, which is loaded with resources, a complete day-by-day Black Friday launch plan and checklist, holiday tutorials, and even a holiday graphics pack with tons of HD images that you can drag and drop onto your own product photos to create amazing holiday scenes and marketing. This freebie also includes access to my annual Black Friday Lifeline, a group coaching call taking place on November 12th, where you can get free help from me as you finalize your holiday sales preparations. You can snag my complete 2022 Black Friday toolbox up here and in the link down below. Overall, holiday success on Etsy means following trends as they emerge and listing your products before your competitors do. And with a little science, a lot of data, and some help from a trusted Etsy expert, you'll be well on your way to Etsy success. Cue the funky lo-fi beat.